Next one is soil classification. Soil classification based on grain size. As you know that there are several soil classification system based on grain size of soil according to the which soil has have been classified as. One is gravel, second one is sand, third one is silt and clay. The most widely accepted grain size classification system in MIT soil classification system, the Bureau of Indian Standard BIS, has also adopted the same limits as MIT system for the Indian Standard Classification System for soil grains. The limits of grain size are given as below. You can see that in the given below chart, the size varies with the different kind of the soil. The gravel, sand, silt and clay, the sizes are given in the table, and you can see here the second table, the very coarse soil, the boulder size, the cobble size it is given, then coarse soil is given, the gravel size, sand size which is given, the fine soils, the silt size M, and the clay size C which is given the table. With respect to the different type of soil, what are their sizes are clearly given as per the Indian Standard Classification System of Soil. The Highway Research Board HRB, what we called classification of soil. The Highway Research Board HRB soil classification method is also called revised public road administration. Very important. Revised public road administration PRA soil classification system according to HRB, that is Highway Research Board, with just three simple laboratory tests, namely sieve analysis, liquid limit and plastic limit. These are the three very important tests which is carried out under the PRA, revised public road administration based on these three tests which is conducted. The HRB soil classification system is generally adopted in highway engineering for the classification of subgrade soil. Soil are divided into 7 group A1 to A7. A1, A2 and A3 soil are granular soil, percentage fineness passing 0.075 mm sieve being lesser than 35. A4, A5, A6 and A7 soil are fine grained or silt clay soil passing 0.075 mm sieve being gathering greater than 35 percentage. Next is A1 soil are well grained mixture of stone fragment, gravel, coarse sand, fine sand and the non-plastic or slightly plastic soil binder. The soil of this group are subdivided into two subgroup. A1A consisting predominantly of stone fragment or gravel, and A1B consisting predominantly of coarse sand. A2 group of soil include a wide range of granular soil ranging from A1 to A3 groups consisting of granular soil up to 35 percentage fines of A4, A5, A6 or A7 groups. Based on the fine content, the soil of A2 groups are subdivided into subgroup, that is A2A, A24, A25, A26 and A27. A3 soil are consist mainly uniformly graded medium or fine sand similar to the beach sand, or does not brown sand, stream deposited mixtures of poorly graded fine sand with some coarse sand and gravel are included in this group. A4 soil are generally silt soil, non-plastic or uh, uh, moderately plastic in nature with liquid limit and plastic index values lesser than 40 and 10 respectively. A5 soil are also silty soil with the plastic index lesser than 10 percentage, but with liquid limit values exceeding 40 percentage. These includes highly elastic or compressible soil, usually of uh, determinants of characters. Acidic group of soil are plastic clays having high values of plastic index exceeding 10 percentage and low values of liquid limit below 40 percentage. They have a high volume change properties with the variation in the moisture content. A4 soils are also clay soils as A6 soils, but with high values of both liquid limit and the plastic limit index, that is LL greater than 40 percentage and PI greater than 10 percentage. This is standard. These soils have the low permeability and the high volume change properties with change in the moisture content. So permeability is a property of the soil virtue where the water will passes through the voids in the soil.